So today's the Kids Cooking Celebration. So we're celebrating kids that are young and able to make fun recipes. So we have 6 kiddos here from different schools throughout your school district making recipes, family recipes from around the world, so celebrating their family heritage.
I'm making my mom's oatmeal cake. There's coconut, evaporated milk, and brown sugar.
My favorite part of this is seeing the young kids able to cook. Some of them I think are better at cooking than myself. And just watching them learn these healthy habits at a young age. Healthy eating comes with cooking at home, scratch cooking. So when they're learning these habits at a young age, it's going to lead to less eating out, eating less processed food, more scratch cooking.